So the next question is how can we empty the array? So here I have this array which contains the data A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I have this array B to which array A is assigned. Then I'll empty the array using empty square brackets. Okay, then I'll try to print the array through B using the log function. So A is equal to empty square brackets is one way of emptying the array. The other way is you just make the array A equals to 0. So that will empty the contents of the array A. And the third way is you just use the splice function. Okay, you get the length of the array, then use the splice function, pass 0 as the first parameter to the splice function. Okay, that way also you can empty the array. Okay, so let's check the program. So here I have the programs. Okay, so I have this variable A, which is nothing but the array. A is assigned to B. I'm emptying the array using A is equal to square bracket in the first part of the program. Then I'll try to print the values of A and B. So in the second part of the program, I have the same thing. That is, I have this array A. Array A is assigned to array B. Then I'm making array A as 0. Then I'm trying to print the contents of B and A. Okay, in the third part of the program, I'm using the splice function to empty the contents of the array A. So I'm using this array A's length as reference, which is passed as the second parameter to splice function, and the first parameter is nothing but 0. Okay, to empty the contents of the array. Okay, so let's execute this particular program. Okay, so I'll execute this program. So I'll go to the inspect part. So here I have my console. Okay, so if you see the output here, we emptied the array A, but it is not reflected in array B. So that's why we are getting the contents of array A through array B. But actually, since array A is assigned to array B retains its contents, whereas we are deleting the contents of array A, and hence we are getting the length as 0. Okay, so this is the same, like 3 times we have done. So this is with respect to this particular line. Okay, this output. And this is with respect to this output, wherein we are making the array contents as 0. Okay, so this is with respect to this output, wherein we are splicing the contents of the array. So the change is also reflected in array B.